The 2027 Cadillac Escalade isn't a full redesign, but it doesn't need to be. After the massive refresh introduced for 2025 and 2026, this luxury icon now feels less like a traditional SUV and more like a rolling tech fortress built for modern families. Real-world comfort. On real roads, the Escalade continues to impress with its air ride adaptive suspension and magnetic ride control. The system reads the pavement constantly, smoothing out potholes and expansion joints in a way that makes this full-size SUV feel almost weightless. Despite weighing well over 6,000 pounds, the Escalade stays composed through corners and highway sweepers. The available 24-inch wheels look stunning, though some testers report slightly more road chatter compared to the standard 22-inch setup. Cabin isolation is where this SUV truly shines. Decibel testing shows it remains one of the quietest vehicles in its class, helped by extensive sound deadening and the AKG conversation enhancement system that projects the driver's voice clearly to the third row. Interior technology. The centerpiece is the stunning 55-inch curved LED display stretching pillar to pillar across the dashboard. It integrates driver information, infotainment, and a dedicated passenger screen with a digital privacy filter so movies won't distract whoever is behind the wheel. For rear passengers, the executive second row package feels first class. You get stowable tray tables, dual 12.6-inch personal screens, and 16-way power-adjustable massaging seats that transform long road trips into something closer to private jet travel. Audiophiles will appreciate the available 42-speaker AKG Studio reference system with Dolby Atmos. The surround effect creates a true 360-degree concert hall experience, making everything from podcasts to playlists sound incredibly rich and immersive. Power and innovation. Under the hood, the standard 6.2-liter V8 produces 420 horsepower, delivering smooth, confident acceleration with a 0 to 60 time of around 5.9 seconds. It can also tow up to 8,200 pounds, maintaining its reputation as a capable luxury hauler. For those wanting serious performance, the V-Series model upgrades to a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 pushing 682 horsepower. That drops the 0 to 60 sprint to about 4.4 seconds, astonishing for something this large and commanding. Technology continues to lead the conversation with Super Cruise now standard on most trims, supporting hands-free driving, automatic lane changes, and even trailering across hundreds of thousands of miles of compatible highways. If you're considering a full-size luxury SUV, the 2027 Escalade deserves a serious look. Let me know in the comments if you choose the standard V8 or the V-Series, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.